Difficult? Confusing? Challenging lessons? Let's make it easy! I am Sir Jesse and I will be your teacher in TLE 6. Come and join me in another fun and exciting learning activities for this day. But before that, let me introduce to you first the do's and don'ts having this virtual class. Fun and get creative because this day is going to be an awesome and exciting day. We are now in the 21st century and learning is the most useful, relevant, and in-demand skills in today's schools. We have already learned blogging and how to share blogs in a safe and responsible manner. Have you ever tried having a video call with your loved ones? Our next lesson is all about audio and video conferencing. Are you excited to our new lesson? But before that, let us first recall our previous lessons. We are able to learn the different steps in creating wikis and blogs. As well, we also learn the different definitions such as ICT, wikis, and blogs. But most of all, we enumerated the different procedures on how to use the internet in a safe and responsible manner. Let us now make ourselves familiar with the words that we will encounter in the latter part of this discussion. Let's have picture perfect. Direction. Unscramble the letters to form the unfamiliar word. Use the picture as your hint. I will give you 5 seconds for each word. Are you ready? Let us start. Number 1. If you answered Skype, you are correct. Number 2. If your answer is headset, you got it right. Number 3. If you answered microphones, you are correct. Number 4. If you answered speaker, you are correct. Number 5. If you answered Google Meet, correct. And number 6. If your answer is laptop, that's right. So what's your score? If you answered all the items correctly, very good. If not, that's okay. I will guide you all throughout the lesson for you to learn more. How do people communicate with each other in this time of pandemic? There are so many tools that we can use in order for us to communicate with them. One of this tool is through audio and video conferencing. Can you identify these tools and softwares that you can use in communicating with other people? These are some tools that you can use where you can chat and see the person that you are talking to. The difference in the meetings lies in the equipment used. Widescreen and monitors are literally used or usually used for video conferencing through different softwares and sites. Let us now learn how to use Google Meet in video conferencing. Google Meet is the most frequently used platform in this time of pandemic. Let us help Odi, a grade 6 pupil of Malis Elementary School, to join in his online class.
Sir, hindi ko po alam kung paano ako mag-join sa online class natin. Wala po akong Google Meet.
Walang problema anak, tutulungan kita. Let's teach him the steps in joining a Google meeting. First step, install Google Meet on your device. Just look for this logo. Second step, launch Meet and sign in to your Google account. If you don't have an account, click Create an Account. Third step, click Join Meeting and enter a code or a link. Fourth step, and now you can join the meeting once the host gives you the permission to join.
Yun na nga anak. Yan ang mga steps para maka-join ka na sa ating online class. Naku, maraming salamat po sir. Makakapag-join na po ako sa ating online class.
Now, I want you to watch this short video clip.
Papasukin niyo na sila. Yung sa ano nyo, LMS, yung ebook at saka hindi ebook. Okay, ang Pilipino, sa ano ba yun? Ay wala talagang laman yon. TLE, MAPE, walang laman yung ebook nyo. Pero may aklat kayo. May ebook lang doon sa Abiba ay yung math, science, at saka English. Nakita nyo, may laman kayo. May laman na.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yun lang ang may laman. Tapos yung ibang subject, interactive. Ibig sabihin, pwede doon kumuha ng i-lesson ang teacher nyo. And then yung Pilipino, hele, mape, parang walang laman talaga yon. Book lang meron kayo. Hindi kasali sa yung e-book.
What are they doing? Correct. They are having a class meeting.
Let us now define audio and video conferencing. Audio conferencing is a telephone meeting conducted between a multiple separate callers. Video conferencing. It is a visual communication session between two or more users, regardless of their location. It is with audio and in real-time situation. Here are some of the most commonly used video conferencing softwares and applications in this time of pandemic. We have Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, FB Messenger, and we also have Microsoft Teams. And now, let's move on with the requirements while attending a video conference. Number 1. Computer, laptop, or cellular phones. Number 2. You should also have browser and internet connection. Number 3. Headset or earphones. Number 4. Microphone. And lastly, number 5. Web camera. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using video conferencing. Number 1. Video conferencing reduces travel time and expenses since it allows people to communicate to several places in an instant without having to leave the office. Number 2. It allows people from different fields and places to easily collaborate and share ideas with each other. Number 3. It enables showing demonstration or procedures to
to large audience that may come from several places from all over the world. Number 4. The rise of remote working. Number 5. Security and reliability of the meeting solution. So those are the benefits of using video conferencing. Before we proceed, I want you to guess the picture or logo that is related to audio and video conferencing. Write your answer on a piece of paper. If you answered all the items correctly, good job!
Now that you know the benefits of audio and video conferencing, let us now have our activity. Let's face it.
Let us identify whether the following phrase is an advantage or disadvantage of video conferencing. Just point on the happy face if it is an advantage and point on sad face if it is a disadvantage. Did you get it? Let us start. You have 5 seconds to answer. Let us have a short recap of our discussion. Answer assessment on page 8 of your TLE 6 module. Direction: give at least 5 requirements for video conferencing. Choose one benefit of video conferencing and illustrate it through a poster.
I hope you learned a lot today. Just always remember, have faith in God and ask Him to direct your ways according to His path. Again, this has been your TLE buddy. I am Sir Jesse. Be future ready. Be techie with TLE. God bless us all. Till next time.